Si Bok.
Insect.
Kaya mo?
Kailan na gano'n na ako. Yung
Hindi ba lang ako?
Grabe. Shirt, kung masugin yan.
Mainit.
Ay, pa yan, bebe, kasi.
Hindi niya sasama sa akin yan.
Ako?
Kuya.
Bakit?
Yung constitutional
Bakit?
hindi pwedeng matigilan ang pag-alis nito si Jelly Garcia sa kanyang kaprito na mabumagunta ng kailangan.
Ay, paano?
Hindi na talaga ito si Jelly. Hindi na talaga siya dito.
Huwag ka tuwing mo na. Baka init
Ba't ka lang ako kumuha ng tubig?
Yung ginawa ng Office of the Secretary General, ginawang dahilan yung programista para pigilan yung isang constitutional process. At tingin ko, ito yung constitutional sabotage.
And going back to what Attorney Ferdy Topacio said when he guested at On Point here in Billionaire News Channel, he said that they're considering
May una pa
going
doon.
to the Supreme Court
Bangus.
after their impeachment complaint was refused by the Office of the Secretary General. Do you think that this is a practical move, considering the timing, di ba? Kasi
Ano?
in the meantime, uusap ko lang
Ikaw mo.
Attorney Jesus.
Ikaw ka.
Tingin ko, dapat nilang gawin. Even though I talk to the
Ah,
makabayan.
pa maglalumamag.
Nakita kami ng last Saturday. Balak nilang i-refile niya.
I-refile today.
Ngayon, kung dapat siguro hintayin na ng Office of the Speaker.
Wait lang, ako muna, wait lang.
Ano ba naman
Kasi
yan?
may ginawang mali. Yung Office of the Secretary General. Yung Office of the Secretary General is an instrumentality of the House of Representatives. Kung tinolerate yung maling yan, it's tantamount na yung HOR mismo. Yung mga pwedeng
Bakit?
nag-commit na mag-commit na grave abuse of discretion. At kung may grave abuse of discretion, then may jurisdiction na ang Supreme Court.
But in practical terms, do you think that this could be exercised timely, in a timely manner?
Yes, yes, I think so. Importante hintayin nila yung actual speaker kasi we cannot judge this. Kaya kung payagan niya naman, wala issue.
Senior Representative Sandro Marcos chairs the House Rules Committee,
Yes.
which oversees as well the procedures on impeachment. Amid the complaint